What's up, Papi myself?
I'm kidding.
I hope they didn't hear that.
So,
it's part 2
no,
of the Taki.
burping contest.
No, remember part 2.
No, I failed. I give up.
Fine. Just kidding, guys. We're going to be doing the burp challenge. Okay. We just finished with the Takis. With the Taki challenge. So,
Yeah, we're having a burping contest with whatever crap is left over drinks. We have 2 drinks. I have a Mountain Dew and a Dr. Pepper, and you have the Diet Pepsi and Dr. Pepper.
okay, so.
Who's ready?
1, 2,
Wait,
3.
wait.
What?
Okay, guys, you are going to determine who is the winner. Just
Comment down below.
Yeah.
But we'll see who wins. We'll try to find out
Just
who wins. We'll just guess.
Say who you think wins. By the way, these burps are way more intense than it sounds because you're in a freaking camera.
Ready? And let's go! Hello. So, we're ready, and that was a baby one. Okay, my turn.
That was a puking.
Okay, ready?
I was really slow back. Okay, Damiana, you go first.
That's nasty.
Okay, well, my turn. This is round 1, by the way. We go by rounds. Round 1, who wins? What?
Round 2.
I'm totally losing round 1.
Round 2. Okay, so it's time for round 2. I'm gonna wait until I finish this to do my Dr. Pepper for it.
Yeah.
So, ready? And whew.
I have a dog scratching his butt behind me. You might know. She definitely won round 1. I know that. I'm normally better at this stuff, but I need to pee. Excuses.
Really? Go! Before I rip out another gray hair.
What?
Go!
I'm making a double.
Oh.
It's called sodium.
Okay, go.
I like the noise.
Hurry up. I didn't take that big of a drink.
Your problem, not mine.
I win.
Yeah.
I win this round.
Barp, barp, barp. What?
Where's the YouTube notification?
I don't know why.
Round 3. Fight. Okay.
Okay, deal.
Ready?
Sorry if you hear a loud noise. It's just me burping.
Okay.
Take it. That's an inner burp. I guess I'm just way more girly than you. What?
You're the one who had the idea of this.
I don't know. I'm normally a lot better.
Seriously, though. She's being a wimp today.
Well, it's called A Girl's Time in Life. which also happens every month. What is true?
What? You stopped yours yesterday.
Yeah, but it's called puberty. Changing
Started
voices.
mine yesterday. Crumbs suck. Okay, go. Okay, stop. Stop it. Just get a drink. Stop, please.
Okay. I don't know why I keep on laughing.
We're just that good of friends. Every time we look at each other, we laugh.
We're also that ugly.
Okay, stop. We didn't even look at each other. Okay, go. Mm-mm. Okay, whatever. Round four. Round four. Again. Okay.
Just ignore her.
Okay,
Sorry.
stop. Stop, please. I'm not kidding. Stop.
Stab you people. Stab your eyeballs.
We'll also be doing the lemon flipping challenge after we get done with the lemon challenge. Why am I using all my good burps now? You should have sounded how scary. You should have heard how scary that sounded inside of her body.
I totally win.
Unless I can make a better comeback.
Then go.
I wonder if anyone will notice what I just did.
I don't really hope. I hope they don't. I got a fart.
It's just like,
From all these burps, I got a fart. What?
me too.
They're both gas. Oh, it hurts when I lay on my stomach because it's cramps.
What? That was so wimpy. It was like a good burp, but only if it was louder and longer, it would have been better.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's on Windows challenge. I'm probably gonna have to go get another drink.
Round 5.
Yeah, so far it's been
That time the lemon juice was there. What the heck? So. What? Why did that?
Okay. I can get my stuff bubbly before you have a time to annoy me. Yeah, I'm shaking up Dr. Pepper. It sounds so internally weird. My grandma can weirdly do amazing burps on command. I come from a long line of
Whoa.
yeah, whoa, that was a total fail.
I said Aaliyah. Shout out to Aaliyah. More like burp shout out.
Burp out. Burp out to Aaliyah.
Okay, you go. My tummy hurts. What?
What? I said.
Slow motion.
I said.
Replay.
Can you believe that she still calls it a tummy? It's called a stomach. Or a stomach. Or a
My
stomach.
tummy hurts. I can call it what I want. I'm on that time of week
And
a
then
month.
count making me laugh.
I'm on that week, month. My tummy hurts. My tummy hurts. I say tummy as much as I want. My tummy. My foot was covering up the camera. Hello. I wear mixed match socks. Looks like you got a beard. Because two droplets of Dr. Pepper is on it. I'm like, ooh, she got a goatee. What do you call a goat with a beard? A goatee.
I shared that before.
Ooh, you're a meanie. Meanie goatee. Goatee meanie. I still win.
Who knows?
No, because I was going.
Huh?
Round 6, I guess.
I don't know why, but I love working hardwood.
Now that you found out that you can. Really?
Hmm.
I just used up that perfect burp.
And then you do a fail sucky one.
Round
Hit the camera.
Round 6. Round 6.
What is that? I don't want to see my face.
Another piece of cardboard. Yeah. Come on, Sky.
Oh, come on! I do amazing burps off camera, and then I do this crap. I'm going to make you laugh so much. Dang it, it didn't work. Probably because you took a way shorter than me. I'm trying to finish my attack thing. Shut up. Can't you tell I'm trying to sleep?
I just tooted. JK.
I totally don't scream
So,
like that.
let Skyla go now.